this case needs to be heard on the merits.
John Anthony Castro is a GOP hopeful from Texas. He wants former President Donald Trump off the primary ballot and has filed 27 federal lawsuits, including here in New Hampshire, to do so.
And the question is whether Donald J. Trump provided aid and comfort to an insurrection, which we all know that he did, and the exact process to disqualify him from being on the ballot.
Castro argues that the insurrection clause of the 14th Amendment should block the former president from running again. And because he shouldn't be on the ballot, he's taking votes away from Castro.
Basically a reduction in votes. I lose votes. And that may be 5 votes, that may be 5,000 votes. We're not really sure.
Our position is that even if the court were to do what he is asking them to do and strike President Trump from the ballot, it's not going to have any effect on his campaign at all because there are other candidates that votes would go to.
Trump's lawyers looked at the credibility of Castro as a candidate. They point to his campaign, saying he has no offices, employees, or political ads here in New Hampshire or anywhere in the country, and that even if Trump's name isn't on the ballot in New Hampshire, voters will pick another candidate that is active in the state.
The New Hampshire primary, it's important the New Hampshire voters get a full choice to vote for whoever they want to choose, and hopefully the courts will stay out of the business of limiting who New Hampshire voters get to choose from.
And the lawsuit looks to stop the Secretary of State from accepting Mr. Trump's filings, but the state's lawyer says there's no evidence that it will have any impact on Castro's candidacy either. The judge says he'll issue his order next week. We're live in Portsmouth. Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.